There's some brave soul in here who love to be in front of a group of people. And as relaxed and as comfortable as I am alone, you're relatively terrified standing in front of groups. But you're willing to shift the context in which you'll have a complete breakthrough in your self-expression. You work with me for 10 minutes. So I would need a volunteer, somebody who is deathly afraid to be in front of groups.
Very stressful. Very stressful. Where? Your hands tremble. Okay. Your hands tremble. Anything else?
What are these concerns? What's she concerned for? All these concerns are about what? What are all her concerns about? What are her concerns about? Herself! Yeah! Right? How am I doing? How do I look? How am I going to survive this? Right? Concern for... Yeah? Alright, good. Okay. See him over there? Yeah. How is he? He's probably doing fine. Okay, how's she doing? How are they doing? And do they seem to be enjoying themselves on their chat? Yes. Why not? Yeah. So that's kind of how they're doing back there. Yeah. And how are these guys doing here? Very interested. Yeah. Wow. So these guys go back to the next. Concerned about yourself to concerned about over there. Anytime you want to walk into a group of other people, pay their attention on how are you doing and put them on how other people are doing. And you'll be able to just be there with them. Can you see that? So that's an example of a shift in context. Her ability to be in front of a group of people will never be the same. Okay, so thank you. I appreciate your attention.